Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Visionary Global Consultancy. Friends, in this video we will discuss about MIPLC Daad Scholarship Germany. MIPLC is one of the best law institute in the world, Munich Intellectual Property Law Center. We will discuss in details about its admission and scholarship process. So before going in details, I request you, if you are new on my YouTube channel, do like this video, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and click bell icon as you can receive all upcoming videos. So let's discuss in details. Here Munich Intellectual Property Law Center announced their scholarship program by Daad Scholarship. This is fully funded scholarship program. If you will get admitted by this institute, then you will be considered for Daad Scholarship. First of all, number one step is admission requirements. MIPLC students bring to our learning community a high level of excellence expressed in a rich diversity of backgrounds, accomplishments, talents and interests. Students in past classes have consistently found this special atmosphere to be very conducive to their studies and great fun too. To be eligible for admission, applicants need to have at least a prior university or college degree, professional experience and a very good knowledge of the English language. These are the admission requirements. Your bachelor's degree should be in law. Then you can apply. You are eligible for this scholarship program. I completed university or bachelor's college degree. All applicants must hold a bachelor's degree or higher, while most of our students have a previous degree in law, natural sciences or engineering. We also welcome students from other disciplines as well. If the subject of your prior studies seems to lack an obvious relation to intellectual property, we invite you to persuade us in your letter of motivation why you are nevertheless an interesting candidate for our LLM program. Actually, this is LLM program, Masters in Law. So if your bachelor's degree in another subject course and you want to apply for this opportunity, so you have to mention in your motivational letter then why you are interested to apply or why you are interesting candidates for their LLM program. And you should professional experience related to law, intellectual property, English language skills. MIPLC required 85 IBT scores of TOEFL, 6.5 bands of IELTS International English Language Testing System, academic and Cambridge C1. Cambridge, for example, if your degree is from O levels and A levels, then your English scores should be C1. The test requirements waived for the applicants who either are native speakers of English or have received a degree from an institution at which English was the language of instructions. In the latter case, please add a written confirmation from your university if you have studied in country other than the UK, Ireland, the USA, Canada, Australia or New Zealand. If your 4 years bachelor's degree in English taught in your university, then you can also get English proficiency certificate and you have to mention in it that your instructions are in English. 4 years bachelor's degree. Then number 2, financial matters. Here they have mentioned their fees criteria, tuition fees criteria. For example, students who are not getting scholarship, then this amount they have to pay yearly for their tuition fees. But we will discuss about scholarship opportunities here. Scholarship opportunities. Check the programs offered by the Daad. As I told you that this scholarship program is by Daad. So with this admission application form, you have to fill Daad scholarship form and you have to submit both forms together. Daad scholarship for students from developing countries. Here you can find in downloads Daad scholarship form, application instructions, simple application forms, Daad scholarship brochure and Daad application form. We'll click here and then this is the Daad scholarship form you have to fill and submit with this admission application form of MIPLC. Application periods. The LLM program starts every year in early October. The applications for admission are accepted from December 1st until April 30th for following academic years. Candidates who seek financial assistance from the Daad Scholarship for development-related postgraduate courses must apply for both admission to the program and the scholarship more than 1 year in advance. And how to apply? Given the large numbers of applications they receive, they only process applications that are both complete and whose documents are properly labeled. Incomplete applications will be disregarded without notification. If your application will be filled complete, then they will inform you about the further process. Application instructions are given here. You can easily get and follow these instructions and fill your admission form. Applying to the MIPLC LLM program. All instructions are given here. So after applying admitted, next steps, what will be the next steps? Coming to Munich and visa application, health insurance and finding accommodation. University will suggest you to find accommodation as well. So these all are the details about this great opportunity of MIPLC in Germany. If you have further questions, you can ask in comment box or you may contact me directly on Telegram group. So that's it for today's video. See you soon in next video. Take care and bye.